Today we're driving the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid 4MATIC Sedan. Under the hood is an AMG enhanced 3-liter inline-6 plug-in hybrid engine producing 577 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This car also has the AMG ride control suspension as well as the AMG Speed Shift TCT 9-speed transmission. Rear axle steering is standard. The exterior color is the manufacturer Moonlight White Magno. Looks absolutely phenomenal. And the front fascia, we have the digital lights and a single eyebrow at the very top. Very aggressive front fascia with the night package accents. We have a ton of high gloss black elements right here on the outer air intakes. The Panorama grille finish in the gunmetal gray. This car has the AMG Night Package Plus, which is why the Faulterback badge has a black tint on it. And power domes on the hood are standard. Very good looking car. We have the active distance Distronic systems, the drive systems, and the front facing camera. And on the side perspective, we have very good looking Y-shaped AMG forged rims. And let's look at the front tires here. We have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, 265/35 R21 at the front with the 6 piston brake calipers. Also finish in the perforations on the brakes. And we have the turbo hybrid badging on the side here, finish in the night package accents. Side mirror housings finish in black as well. Notice how we don't have these chrome door handles. They're finished in this almost black tint because of the AMG Night Package Plus. And if you look here, it's actually listed here for about, it's actually about $4,000 for that option. And high gloss black elements on the window surrounds, and rear tires 295/30 R21. And let's step inside. We have privacy shades on this car, which is amazing for an E-Class, right? Let's step inside. This is what we are working with, right? We have good looking seat package, and love the perforations in the seats. Very comfortable seats. 2 cup holders, standard. Panorama roof at the top with the cloth upholstery up here, and dual climate control systems in this E-Class. Amazing. Love the seats. These are very nice and comfortable seats. Burmester Hines speaker system right here. 64 colors ambient lights, and we have reading lights up here, which is standard. Coat hanger, and wow, it's a good spot. Tons of leg room, by the way, because this seat is pushed all the way back. I'm 5'10", but I have about an inch or 2 between my knees and the front seats. Let's go around on the other side. I just love how this car looks. This is one of the most exciting Mercedes AMGs you can buy today, the E53, which has the red lettering on the E53 insignia. Lets you know that it's a hybrid car. And AMG badging also finished in this dark tint. And this is the new look on the E53. New taillights, LED taillight system with the Mercedes design pattern. See that? Mercedes star. And let's check out the trunk storage. About, I'd say about 15 or 17 cubic feet. There is a fragrance canister right here. Okay, interior perfume canister, and we have some floor mats inside here. And first aid kit is pretty much it. Electronic tailgate is standard in your E53. And notice the rear spoiler looking very pristine. Love it. Down here, guys, performance exhaust system, quad exhaust tailpipes, AMG branding on the actual tailpipes. Very simple red diffuser, number of sensors back here as well. And I love this light bar which runs across the back design of this E53. And this car does have a 60 kilowatt hour DC fast charging system. You can go from 10% to 80% in 20 minutes. And regular AC charging is about 3.25 hours, about 3.5 hours, right? So that's the charging systems. Overall, fantastic looking car. Let's go head on back. Look at these seats. Very nice, comfortable seats. They do have multi-contour features because we do have a multi-contour package on this car. And the front design, very spacious cabin in this car. Let's see. I love the light show in this car when you turn it on. We have drive units which are standard. This car has up to 8 drive modes. So check this out. MBUX infotainment system is also standard. When I set it to the sport mode, I just love how it looks. And this is sort of the hyper screen. This screen is also active for the passengers, so you can watch movies and stuff like that. This is also OLED touchscreen display. Love the wood trim, cup holders. This is amazing. You can option carbon fiber if you prefer with the AMG branding, but overall looks good. The drive modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Electric, Battery, individual mode, as well as the Silvery. Let's go to the Sport mode and head on back. And the region braking is actually on, which means that the braking action converts the kinetic energy back to electric energy in the car. I'm gonna switch to the electric mode because running low on fuel here, but you can drive up to 49 miles on electric power in this E53 hybrid. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. This is excellent for short commutes, going to work or running grocery errands. Electric plus gasoline fuel economy is 60 mpge. Gasoline only is 24 mpg. You got enough drive on electric or battery power. And it's pretty fast. I believe in this car you can get out to about 3.5 seconds if you push it really hard. But first things first, it drives very well. I love the steering wheel with the flat bottom design, slightly thicker than your ordinary steering wheel from a regular Mercedes, and the perforations on the leather here. We have a head-up display system. I mentioned this is a pinnacle trim option, E53. If you go up here, you can actually adjust it and set the race display on the head-up display system. Looks amazing. If I step on the gas, you'll actually see that. So you saw how amazing that looks, and it does take off pretty well. Overall, we do have a nice symmetry in this car. We have a selfie cam right here. And if you watch my walk around video of this car, I did show all the features on the interior, the exterior. I went into great detail to show you every single MBUX feature in this E53. So make sure you check out that video. Paddle shifters feel really good, enough depth, and they're very thick for you to control. And overall, this is just a fantastic car. I'm just gonna park it right here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, this, in my view, is a solid, I'd say a 9, right? This is the best new AMG to buy, the E53. forget the C63, which has a 4-cylinder, but this is just a perfect car. It's beautiful. It turns heads and drives very well. And you can see all around. Love the upholstered back badging on the headrest, and very nice, comfortable seats. Can have 3 adults sit here in the back very comfortably, and overall this is just a fantastic car. Panorama roof. You slide your finger to close that. And overall fantastic car. E53 for 2026. Make sure you subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly videos, and you can see the power memory seats on the right hand side here, on the left rather, and heated cooled seats, Burmester hand speaker system. Everything is just done so well. The material here, the aluminum. I love the steering wheel with the MG badging, and the dials are just fantastic. Can adjust through different options. Right, fantastic car, E53 2026. Subscribe to Mercedes Lounge weekly videos. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.